Hello my elite fam, welcome back to my channel. Miss Vonita here, and I am opening up a new vlog. Yes, I am already getting ready for bed. It is Monday evening. I've been out running around after work and I'm just not picking the camera up. Well, actually I picked the camera up just a little bit earlier for some different content, not for YouTube. But yeah, I wanted to jump on here, say hello, and I also wanted to show you some items that I got. My mom, you know, she likes to sew, and she is like well advanced now, y'all. I mean, like up there making bags, quilts, I mean some everything. So I needed some more placemats for my table, and she made me some new placemats. So I'm gonna do spring and summer. So these are gonna be probably the summer colors, because you know I only need 2 on the table because my table is small. We're gonna do these colors for summer, and then for spring, for right now, we're gonna do these 2 colors. We're gonna do these 2 colors. So these are the placemats that she put together, sewed up for me, looking extra professional, like I bought them out the store. I love that. I love that. And then also I mentioned and reviewed a small business a couple vlogs ago, and y'all, I used up my whole lip gloss. That mug is empty, and I got an email Sunday, I think it was, about, or Saturday, it might have been Saturday, one of them, Saturday or Sunday, about a sale that she had on one of the lip glosses, and y'all, I jumped right on it. If we can buy $40 Dior lip glosses and, you know, all those Bath and Body Works lip glosses, y'all can give the small businesses a try, and I did, and I really like it. Like, seriously, really like this lip gloss. This is the only lip gloss I've been wearing like on a daily. I haven't even been putting on my Bath and Body Works lip gloss, but I just wanted to show you. I did get 3 of the, I don't know which kind this was. It's called Lovely Berry, and this is how they look. And I will again put her information on the screen. But I got 3 of these, and then she puts it in this cute little bag when you pick up your product, if you pick it up, or if she just ships it to you. I'm not sure exactly how it comes, but this was really cute. She packages it nice with a little tissue paper in there, and you get like a little, just a little spoolie for your eyebrows or your eyelashes, whichever one. I don't do eyelashes, so it would definitely be for my eyebrows. And then this is her info. And y'all, go over there and check out her web store, her on Instagram. I'm not gonna bring y'all no product that is terrible. I mean, I will review it, let you know how it was. I'm telling you, this product is really good. Like, for real, for real. We fresh out the shower with nothing on our lips, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. So I'm assuming this is supposed to have like a little bit of a tint on there. It has like a little sparkly in it, but the smell on this one is not as nice as the first one I got, the clear one. That one to smell better. This one, it's just kind of like an artificial like berry smell, but as far as the quality of the lip gloss, it's really good, y'all. So that's all I got for tonight, and I'm going to pick you up tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow Of course, we have lovely work to go to. And then once we get off work, I have to do my daughter's hair. And then I don't know what else I'm going to get into. So, talk to you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that.
It is way late. Again, I am struggling to pick this camera up. I just finished doing my daughter's hair and I am about to put my chicken in the oven. I had to let it sit and marinate for an hour. But I am struggling to figure out if I want to make some of these sweet and sassy baked beans along with the rice. I got 4 bags of jasmine rice in the oven, on the stove in the pots. But I got sweet potatoes and I bought some beets this time, some green beans, and some more mixed vegetables. I can't make this with mixed vegetables, so I don't know if I should make this or not. I just thought it would go good with the rice and the chicken. I think I might just make this and make some sweet potatoes as well. And maybe some peas. I don't know. I don't know how that's going to taste, but we, I guess, supposed to have some type of vegetable going on. So we're going to make some peas. The baked beans. I wish I had 2 cans of these, but I only got 1 can. I can't find another can in here somewhere in one of these cabinets. So we're going to go ahead and get that taken care of. And then we're going to chill for a few because it's going to take about another hour for the chicken to cook. I probably should have waited to make the rice, but oh well, it's already in the pot.
When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan E. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze.
Y'all, so your girl thought she was grown. That jerk season I put on this chicken, I should have went a little bit lighter because my mouth is on fire. It's good. It gave it a nice little kick, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go a little bit lighter on the jerk seasoning next time. So I had to peel the skin back so it don't be so hot or so spicy with the rest of the chicken. But then it came out really good. I don't know how I feel about the beans, the sweet and sassy beans. It tastes all right. I don't know if it was the right combination, but you know when it's already cooked, you go ahead and eat it. So I'm gonna finish eating my dinner and I am going to turn in for the night. I'm trying to watch this Locked Up Abroad. Yeah, I know this show is old, but I'm watching Freebie downstairs. But y'all, the amazing things that I see and hear people say when it comes to drugs and they act like they don't know no better. You know better. You absolutely know better. But I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey, Miley fam. Happy Wednesday. I am just getting home from work and y'all, it has been a rough day. Like, I am super tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. I don't have much going on tonight. I'm about to sit here, watch me a little bit of TV. I don't even feel like eating dinner. I don't. I ate lunch probably around 11, 12 o'clock and I'm still full from lunch today. So I'm not even eating dinner. I'm just gonna watch TV and relax for the night so I get ready to go take me a shower. But I wanted to say, if you have made it to the end of my vlog, thank you so much. Make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you have not done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Share my videos. I am trying to grow my YouTube channel and it takes my people out there to, you know, help share my videos and watch the videos all the way through if you can. Trying to get my watch hours up and eventually get to monetization, but that's neither here nor there. That's kind of way out there. I got a long ways to go. I've only been on YouTube for, I believe, 2 years actually posting, but I'm doing okay so far. But this is a struggle. The YouTube streets are like, it's a little wavy. You know, it's some ups, some downs. I don't have a niche. I do lifestyle content, so it's a little difficult to, you know, grasp that specific audience. But hopefully, excuse me, I can't even talk tonight, y'all. Hopefully, my audience is growing per who likes my content. And I hope that you do like my content and continue to come back and watch more. All right, so I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.